Leave not due for central government employees. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of officials. It should not be referred as guideline of government. In case of any variance in this training material, the government guideline rules leave not due. Leave not due is granted when there is no half pay leave at credit and the employee requests for the grant of leave not due. This leave is granted only on medical certificate if the leave sanction authority is satisfied that there is a reasonable prospect of the employee returning to duty on its expiry. It may be granted without medical certificate in continuation of maternity leave and may be granted without medical certificate to a female employee with less than 2 living children on adoption of a child less than 1 year old. The amount of leave should be limited to the half pay leave that the employee is likely to earn subsequently. Leave not due during the entire service is limited to a maximum of 360 days and due will be debited against the half pay leave that the employee may earn subsequently. Leave not due may also be granted to a temporary employees with minimum of 1 year service suffering from TB, leprosy, cancer or mental illness for a period not exceeding 300 days if the post from which the employee proceeds on leave is likely to last till his or an employee granted leave not due resigns from the government service or is permitted to retire voluntarily without returning to duty, the retirement will take effect from the date on which such leave had commenced and the leave salary should be recovered. If a government servant who having availed himself of leave not due returns to duty but resigns or retires from service before he has earned such leave, he shall be liable to refund the leave salary to the extent the leave has not been earned subsequently. If the retirement is by reason of ill health or in the event of his death, leave salary shall not be recovered. In this video, we had seen leave not due. If you have any doubts, then you can contact through the email shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the website as shown on the screen. Thank you.